Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a nautical almanac. First, understand that this essential publication provides daily celestial data for navigation. It helps mariners find their position at sea by offering precise information about the sun, moon, planets, and stars. You'll find crucial values like Greenwich hour angle and declination, which are fundamental for celestial observations. To begin, you'll need to find the Greenwich hour angle, or GA, and the declination for your chosen celestial body at the exact moment of your observation. The almanac provides these values for every hour. For more precise readings, you'll interpolate between the hourly entries for the specific minutes and seconds. Remember to also apply necessary corrections for factors like dip, refraction, and parallax. Next, you'll perform sight reduction. This involves measuring the observed altitude of a celestial body with a sextant, then correcting it to get the true altitude. You'll calculate the local hour angle by combining the Greenwich hour angle with your vessel's longitude. Finally, using the almanac and your assumed position, you'll determine the calculated altitude and azimuth. With your calculated altitude and azimuth, you can now plot your position. Start by marking your assumed position on a nautical chart. Then, draw an intercept line, indicating how far your true position is from the assumed one, either toward or away from the celestial body. Finally, draw a position line perpendicular to the azimuth. Intersecting two or more of these lines will give you a precise navigational fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.